What's good, everybody? So today we got a nice little gift from Prodigy. It's a couple of cases that he sent over that I could go ahead and review for you guys and stick to the end of the video. And I got a nice little gift for you guys as well. So as you can see, they sent it in a nice gift box with their branding all over it. It's pretty dope in my opinion. But furthermore, let's go ahead and get into it and see what these cases are all about. All right, so let's go ahead and open this here. All right, so we got a little stuffing on top. Get this to the side. All right, so first thing we're greeted to is a nice little gift card that Prodigy sent over. Nice dope design. Let's turn over to the back. See what they got here. Okay, you guys can pause that and read that if you want. Yeah, let's go ahead, toss this to the side as well. And these are the cases that they send over. Go ahead and get these up out of here as well. Right. Let's put these to the side right quick. And then we'll check those out. That's all that comes in the box. All right. Let's close this up here. Put this over to the side. All right. So I got the first one, which is called the Formula case. And it comes in pretty dope packaging, I must say. And we're gonna turn over to the back. This is how the back of the case will look as well. It is recyclable, so that's pretty dope. All about saving the environment. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. Get this up out of here. All right, put this to the side too. All right, it's on here too. All right, so now let's take a look around the case first. It's a nice little blacked out shadow case with little orange accents as well. Little bumpers. It is MagSafe, as you can see. Then you can see you have all the cutouts for all your ports on the phone. Got a little Prodigy branding right here as well, so you guys can see. Cool. Then you can see it does have the cutout for the new camera button on the iPhones. Nice little smoked out look. Let's put this in here. See how this looks on the Desert Titanium. It does have the little raised sides to protect the screen a little bit. The buttons, they are quite clicky. Pretty good. I really like the little orange little accents on the side. It's pretty fire. See here, nice little click to them as well. See, all the ports are clean cut. The back of it looks fire with that Desert Titanium. Kind of fogged out the gold. It's a nice little weight to it. It's not heavy. It's not bulky as well. So I really like this one a lot, actually. Go ahead and get this up off here now. So we check out the other cases. All right. Let's check out the next one. So this one is the Flow. As you can see here, pretty much the exact same packaging as well. So you know that you're going to get good packaging on all of their cases as well. This is how the back of this one looks. All right. Let's see how this one looks as well. And yeah. Right. You can just slide right back in. Put it on the side over here. So here goes next case. You see, I already got my fingerprints on it, but okay. Nice little two-tone color to it. You can see the insides. They do got little orange things inside to protect your phone as well, inside as well. So if you drop it, you should be okay. Have the same cutout as well here. Little Prodigy branding. Let's see. Nice little two-tone kind of color here. Slap this on here. All right. Right. Okay, so it give you like a little splash of color to the phone. A little two-tone look with the foggy sides. See the cutout for the camera is good. Nice weight, feels good in the hand.
That's what she said.
Doesn't feel slippery. Buttons feel really good as well. This is a pretty cool case, especially if you really want to show the back of your phone. I like it. I like it. Okay, all right. Let's go and get to the next one as well. Yeah, get us up out of there. All right, so this is another Formula one as well, just like the first one, but this one has like more of a gray hit to it. So I'm really excited to see how this one looks. Back of the box as well. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and get this open here. Yeah, I think I like this one on here. Slide this in here to the side. All right, so let's check this one out. Yeah, I think I'm gonna like this one here. Gray with that desert titanium, really gonna be looking fire in my opinion. Nice little orange hints again. It's just a little bit of color. It really makes it pop. Got the bumpers inside as well to protect your phone. As you can see there, MagSafe, cutouts, looks good. Simple Prodigy branding. I like how they don't have the branding all over the case. It's just one little area, keeping it clean. All right, let's slide this in here. Oh yeah. Yeah. Now that desert could just pop out on the sides and the back. Like how this one looks here. Yes, sir. Now that looks clean. That gray on that nice desert titanium, aka gold look. Yeah, I'm liking this one. This might be my go-to one here. This is fire. Feel nice in the hand. Everything just feels right with this one. The ports is perfect. They knocked this one out of the park. Yeah, I'm really liking this one. All right, let's go ahead and check out these other cases. This one is the Flow one as well. I think it's a different shade, so it's another two-tone color compared to the other one. And let's check out the back. So I like how the back of the cases kind of give you a description of how the case will look as well without the phone. And then once you take it out, you can really see that pop of that two-tone color. Slide this on here. Yeah, thank you. All right. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I like this one better than the first one. Oh, I like that. The head of that purple and that blue. Oh yeah. Insides. Got the bumpers for the protection. Yeah, this one looks really clean. Ports, everything looks good. All right. A little bit of branding. Well, you can't even really see it that much. So really can go incognito on the case. All right. Stop the phone in here. All right, cool. Let's see. Check out the side. Oh yeah, I'm liking this one a lot too. This might be my second favorite one right here. Oh yeah, with the gold on the back. Oh yeah, this is definitely the second favorite one. That two-tone hit on the sides, kind of looking like a candy paint case. This is definitely a fire case here. Feel nice in the hand. Not heavy at all. Yeah. All right, let's check out this next case. One thing about these cases too, they really like snap on to your phone. As you can see, I'm having a little hard time to take them off. All right, and this one here is the superhero. All right. I like the blackness. Kind of gonna give me that Batman vibes.
I'm Batman.
All right, back of the case. Let's see here. Okay, it's on there. All right, yeah. This one here is definitely like a Batman case. I can see it. Smoked out look. So if you have the black iPhone, this one will really be fire. MagSafe as well. Take it back. I love Prodigy on the bottom. Slap this in here. Okay. Clean little look. Nice little fogged out look. You know, it's simple. If you're a person that wants something that don't have a lot of color, this is definitely one that you could go with. See here, it's still light like all the other ones. Go ahead and get this one up off here. Let's check out the next one. All right. And right here, we have the Kick It. This one I wanted to try as well because I can see it has a little kickstand on it. Let's see what that's all about. Check out the back of the case. All right. Get this one here. Hey. Put you to the side. All right. Nice little clear case. If you really want to show off your color of your iPhone. Got a little black sides. Prodigee branding. See if you can see that. Cool. Clean ports. Got the hole for the camera as well, camera button. Nice little buttons on here. All right. Take the insides out a little bit. All right, let's see. Put this one in here as well. All right. Oh yeah, I like the buttons on this one. Fire. Everything looks clean as usual. All their case, I can't. All their cases, I can't complain. They are clean, and they feel so nice in the hand with the phone. It doesn't feel bulky. Back of the phone here. Yeah, that looks clean. And then here, as you see, they have a kickstand. Put open like that. Once you sit it down, knock at your desk, you go be watching YouTube, movies, whatever. You know, you can move the kickstand so you can face it a certain way, lay it more flatter. So y'all can see how it looks as well. It's not the strongest kickstand, but you know, it's still a do as well. All right. So I do like that one. All right. Get this up off here as well. All right, guys. So yeah, so these are all the cases from Prodigee. Thank you guys for sending them out to me. Also, thank you for staying for the video. Guys, if you want to go to their website, I have a code for you with Blue30, and you'll get 30% off any case that you pick up for your new iPhone or any other phones that they have as well. These are the cases right here. So until next time, peace.